Tonight I'm going to be making some baby corn salad. It's going to have some capsicum, it's got some spinach leaves and some cherry tomatoes with some oregano leaves, and then I'm going to top it up with thinly sliced parsnip crisps, which I'm just going to do up in the oven.